guys, it's Narelle here, and welcome back to another video. This is yet another unboxing video because my lovely friends love to just kill me every day of the week. So this is from my friend Socks are Sugoi, or Karina Fiscaletti. I wanted to say her name like that because I love her last name, guys. It's so amazing. And yeah, me and her decided to send each other packages. I still have to finish mine. I finished one artwork. I gotta finish the other two, but that's not the point of the video. But this is hers, and I really love how she decorated the package. Like, look at that. That is like bae. She is literally overthrowing my packaging skills, and I am ever so original with the covering. I just used a little money thing that was here, and I'm using a Walmart receipt to cover my address. I'm so original. I just got off of work, guys, so that's the reason why I'm like, you know, I am who I am. So yes, found one of the pieces of tape, so I'm just gonna rip it up from here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, woo! I got it open. That was really easy. Okay, did she put a note here? Hold on. She did not put a note. I'm gonna have to take it all out. So, oof, 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 oof. Okay. Let me make sure there's nothing left in here. Okay, it's not. Ah! This is so cute. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And I can't really say I haven't seen this, but it's a little thing of Naru. This is a sticker socks. I'm literally just gonna freak. I'm gonna freak. But oh my gosh, I love how she packaged this. It's so colorful and cute. So as a anime weeb states, it's so kawaii desu ne. I'm gonna stop that. Like, I'm not gonna say that ever again. But yes, come on out. No, I don't want to see everything. Please just come out. There we go. So as you can tell, she said, it is a sticker. No! Oh, Naru, my lovely child. I'm just gonna put it on my Walmart receipt because I am ever so original. So what to open? I think she wants me to go from top to bottom, so I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna flip it over. Read first. Well, you put that there, so it kind of distracted me. So yes, so it said read first. Okay, I read it. So what's inside? I think this is the note. I'm pretty sure it's the note. This is very creative, Socks. I really do love this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. It's so cute. I love this. Okay, it states, Dear Nirel, hello. Sorry this takes so long to do. I've been so busy with work and packing, but I finally finished it. I added something extra for your birthday. I hope you like it. I tell you guys, this is why I don't have friends, because they kill me all. Naru is hard to draw, at least this time. Is he? I find him really, like, his hair gives me issues, so I agree with that. But hopefully he's still recognizable. Yes, he's so cute. Look at that. It's so cute. Alrighty, we really need to Skype more. I keep messing up. Dyslexia is fun. No, it's okay. Like, I have a million of these on my notes as well. Anyways, when we both have time, we really should. Also, when I was laminating these, my machine jammed, and I was pretty spooked. But luckily, they all survived. Yay! Anywho, I gotta get going. I hope you like all the stuff. Bye-bye. And this looks like Enoch. Enoch is our ship, but this looks like Enoch from the little hair thingies. And then there's a fabulous fish. Just look how fabulous that is. Like, I can't even. So I'm gonna keep this letter in here because I am a whore for letters, because I love collecting all of them and just keeping all of them. So I don't know which one to take, but I'm gonna get this one. I'm just gonna get this one because it's on top. So I cannot, and it has a black tassel, so I'm guessing this is a bookmark. So 1, 2, and 3, and it has a little cute design there as well. But anyways, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, this is so cute. It says dream. Look at her stuff, guys. I love her coloring. I just love it so much. And it's kind of like, not crochet, but she sticked different images together to make this bookmark. That is so friggin' cool. It's so pretty. I gotta add this to my bookmark collection because I have a little bit of original bookmarks I got from my friends. But this is so cute. I'm gonna put it right next to Naru. Let me slip this over so you're able to see this. There we go. So here's the next bookmark, and it's really pretty from behind. Oh my gosh, I love this. And the pink tassel. So 1, 2, 3, go. This literally is going to be my favorite bookmark. It's my husband. Help me, day. I'm going to take this everywhere I go and just be like, yes, guys, I am taken. Am I forever a sad person? Help me, day. He's laminated. So he's all capped and I'm just like, I love you so much, Socks. I love you. I'm literally going to use this like from today on. I can't. Okay. Woo. Okay, so here's another little pretty little thing. So 1, 2, 3, go. And I think the other ones are flip it back. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, go. It's Tinka. She showed me this on Skype, and she was like, the colors look so much better in person. And it really does. It's my second husband. Tinga is up there. Like, originally I didn't like Tinga as much when I started watching Guysssss, but once I got into the episodes, he became bae because I just really loved how he was so caring for the main girl who he fell in love with. And I am like, he is a really good guy, and I would love to have him as my boyfriend. But it's Tinga. Can this get any better? Okay, we have 2 more. So this one has caution on it, and it has a very fiery background. So 1, 2, 3, go. It's Staz! Oh my god, I love her style to Staz. Like, I actually did send her the characters I wanted, but I didn't see any of these, so that's why it's so flippin' cool, man. I love this because if you guys have seen Bloodlad, you'll know how Staz typically looks like, but like, this is so flippin' awesome. I love this, and your coloring is just out of this world. Oh my lord, I can't. I gotta make you guys see all of these. So okay, there we go. And this is the last one, and I can tell who this is because it has a football behind it. And if you guys have not known, I've been such a whore for iShow21. I live, breathe, and just eat everything that is iShow21. And if you guys didn't know, I am such a dedicated fan of Hiruma Yoichi from iShow21, and this is Hiruma, and this killed me, and this gave me bubblies on the inside, but Hiruma, this is gonna seal the deal, guys. I am sorry. I gotta breathe for a couple of seconds and have tea. Do I need to sip my tea too to see this? Oh, God. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! No! I love how she drew him saying like, "God." I love it. And then you have a little face back there. I am living. I swear, I think that's, what's his name? I cannot remember his name for the life of me. What is his, Musashi? I think it's Musashi, which is Hiruma's best friend that is in football with him in the show, but you don't see him for like a while. But oh my gosh, can we not? Can we not? Your line art is like so clean. Your coloring is freaking bae. And I am living. Like, oh my God. I can't. Like, I'm gonna have to move this up for you guys to see all of this awesomeness that is socks. So, yeah. So that is all I got in my package for socks. She literally blew me away. So I'm literally going to step up my art game because, like I said, I'm still working on her package. I'm going to finish it this week because I really wanted to mail it off when I am not at work, but I'm going to ask my brother to mail it off while I'm at work next week. So I got to finish it this weekend. But can we not? And can we like add this fish? I'm going to see if I can get the fish in here. Hold on, guys. I need to put the fish. There we go. He can be a creeper in the background. There we go. There we go. There's the fish and Enoch. So, yes. So, thank you so much, Socks, for all the love that you have given me. I'm literally just going to be a fangirl for this for the rest of the day and on my day off tomorrow because I literally can't breathe in all this awesomeness that is this. So, thank you guys for watching. Give Socks lots of love, lots and 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 lots of love. And I will have all of her links in my description box below. And yes, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my children.